Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got a wild one. A defendant gets sentenced to some jail time and absolutely loses it. His courtroom meltdown ends with him getting body slammed, and yeah, it definitely didn't help his case. Let's get into it.
Areas Trevante client. You will be 716 2361. Written appointment.
Michael Carter, 734. I'm gonna have to defend Your Honor.
Your name?
Written appointment.
Bringing your kid to court because you know you're going to go to jail?
No, Your Honor.
Don't play games.
I'm not playing.
Don't play games. I don't want people playing games.
I don't play anything.
Listen, you better call somebody and come and get that child. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, you know I'm going to draw a case. What I'm going to do, I'm not replacing. But I've seen this little trick before. I mean, I didn't just get here 2 months ago, okay? We'll call somebody to get the child. I'll call a case when we're ready. And I'm telling you, if you leave, you're going to have a big problem. You understand what I'm telling you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Bringing your kid to sentencing? Probably not the best move. Some judges appreciate seeing parents taking responsibility, but others, they see it as an emotional manipulation tactic, trying to score sympathy for a lighter sentence. And today's judge, not buying it.
Tyarius Trevante Bryant. Field 4, please, 716-3361. Are you guys hearing this case? Victims? Don't.
No, that's.
All right, Mr. Carmen, your name?
Michael Carter, 734. I'm gonna have to defend.
Mr. Bryant, Constant Podium, state your name. According to you, my name is again. Just double check, Kimberly Dash, Earl Margarita Bruno Hayward, Joseph Matthews. Are any of those individuals, bring this one?
Yes.
Any of those individuals in here today? All right, it does not appear as though they're on Zoom. They did not step forward on the case when called. Mr. Carmen, why don't you and your client approach the podium, please, and tell me whether or not there's any material additions, corrections, or deletions.
Your Honor, as far as his employment status, he, since January of 2024, has been working in Comics, both in Livonia and Fraser. Both locations earned $340. He'll lose that job if he has to go to jail. He has been living in Romulus with his girlfriend. They've been together since 2019. They have 2 children together, ages 1 and 7 months. He just made arrangements for her to pick up the 7-month-old. He's not been incarcerated in several years. He does have a pending matter in Wayne County that's set for sentencing next month.
Mr. Mohammed, your name?
Good morning, Your Honor. Mohammed, I've been having with you.
You can go down full restitution on this. I just want you to be aware this is the beginning of the vehicle with steel property, 200 or more. I just want you to be aware that none of the victims are here. Unless I'm sorry. He pled the count. Count 2 was dismissed, but please just confirm that my understanding is correct. It looks like he pled guilty to count 1, which is the 1 year, and count 2 was dismissed. Is that true?
That's correct.
So I just want you to be aware of that.
Yeah, and Judge, I apologize. Which case is this?
This is Triarius Trevante 1. It's a vehicle to steal property, 200 or more, less than 1,000. It's 1 year. So I just want you to be aware. I called the names. You're not here. You just put down PSI full restitution. None of them show, so I'm not going to order any restitution out.
And Judge, may I ask, does the court send notices now? Or?
Yeah, did send notes.
Okay.
Probation department did when I ordered the pre-sentence report.
So,
Okay.
that makes sense. Thank you.
Anything else, Mr. Carmen?
Since my client shares, the care and custody of 2 young children, this girl they live with. If he's got to go to jail, it's going to be very hard on him.
Sure, it's going to be tough on the guy's family if he goes to jail, but let's not forget the victims here. Imagine how hard it is for a family whose car was broken into, their privacy trashed. Being a father means putting your kids first. Breaking into cars and stealing? That's what irresponsible fathers do.
You should think about this things before we go out and steal. I mean, seriously.
I understand you.
I don't know if you do or not. I find it a little hard to believe. Sit and give you lip service, but you had a RNC motor vehicle in 2021 as domestic, where you didn't comply with probation in 22. Conviction was entered on that. You had retail fraud 23, which is convicted of felony retail theft. In Illinois, we have another case you're bound over to the 33rd, bound over from here, stealing or retaining without consent a financial transaction device. If that's the case he's going to be sentenced on?
Yes, Your Honor, and there's a sentencing agreement of, in that case, of 2 years probation.
I mean, that's great.
Let him just inform the court.
No, I get it. Just tell me he's got bench warrants out of the 34th for assault and battery, bench warrant out of the 52nd for retail fraud 3, bench warrant for retail fraud 3 out of Southgate, retail fraud bench warrant out of the 16th. You up on any of those?
Yes, Your Honor.
When?
I've been taking care of the warrants since I've been out here on her.
Lisa, can you run this lane again for me, please? This lane
Sure.
is a few days old. Let me just tell that shit.
And my client indicated he's contacted those courts.
You contact.
Yes, Your
What
Honor.
do you mean?
I contacted those courts and they told me that I have to turn myself in and schedule.
But you haven't taken care of the warrants.
No, I have been taking care of some of the warrants, Your Honor.
I'm sorry?
I have been taking care of them.
All right, I'm going to just check with her and see. Now you're breaking into cars. I mean, you're not